How to add WhatsApp button on Facebook page. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application, right? And make sure that you are logged into your Facebook page. Now here, all you have to do is to go here to your menu and click on your Facebook page here profile, and it will look like this. Now the next thing that you're gonna do is in this section you will see three dots. Click on those three dots and you will see add action bar. Add action button. So just wait for it to load. And here you can tap on edit buttons here. And then here you will see send WhatsApp message. So if you wish to add the WhatsApp button, click on that, toggle that on. And of course, you have to connect your WhatsApp account. Tap on WhatsApp account and choose your country. And then tap on your phone number. And then it will actually add for a code here. And then tap on code. Tap on save here. And basically that is it, and that is how you add WhatsApp button on Facebook page. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.